how to make battery icon bigger on Android. So if you want to make battery icon bigger on your Android, then what you need to do is you need to open up your settings, and first you need to unlock something called developer options on your phone. It's easy and safe to do. So open up your settings, scroll at the way down or bottom down and tap on your phone option, or it might be under about phone, tap on it. Now look for the build number or software version or Android version. Once you find it, you need to tap on your software version for a few times, and it says you are a developer, which means my developer options are turned on. Once you turn on your developer options, you need to just simply go back to your settings, and now you need to search for developer options. After that, tap on the developer options and make sure that this is turned on. Now inside developer options, you need to scroll down until you find a section called smallest width, which is right here. So you can use this to make icons or text bigger. So you need to enter a smaller number like 340 or any smaller number and then tap on OK. And then if you go back to your home screen and look at the status bar, your battery, signal, and Wi-Fi icons are now larger and also easier to read. You can try any value between 300 to 400 until it looks just right for your eyes. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.